Hello HyBa Beauties! Today I'm going to share a small tip on how to organize liner gel bottles neatly on your shelf, avoiding the situation when you grab the bottles but end up knocking over 3 to 4 others. After removing all 12 bottles and setting them aside, I will grab the foam insert from the box. Since the shelf I am using has a lower edge than the foam, I will use a knife to trim off the extra height. If the foam fits perfectly, then you don't need to cut it. Now I can easily arrange the 12 neon liner gel bottles in order in the frame and place it back on the shelf. So when you're busy and in a hurry with customers, finding, grabbing, or putting back the bottles is very convenient. Another thing I like about this liner set is that each bottle has the color displayed on the cap, making it very attractive and easy to identify. We hope you like this tip and follow us for more nail hacks. Don't forget to check out our solid collection, neon collection, pastel collection, and summer collection gel liner on our website at HyBaBeauty.com.